function f is defined by f of x equals to negative a to the x to the power positive b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to f of x negative 15 as a y-intercept at 0, negative 99 over 7. The product of a and b is 65 over 7. What is the value of a? Okay, so for this function y equals to f of x negative 15, we have y-intercept at 0, negative 99 over 7. Okay, in this function, for this f of x, we have the expression that is negative a to the x to the power positive b. Since this expression is equivalent to f of x, we can plug in this expression for this f of x over here. Then this function will become y equals to negative a to the x to the power positive b. So I have plugged in this expression for this f of x, and apart from that, we have negative 15. Okay, now for this function, we have the y-intercept 0, negative 99 over 7. Since we have this y-intercept for this function, we can plug in this x coordinate 0 for x over here, and y coordinate negative 99 over 7 for the y over here. So let me plug in, then I'm getting negative 99 over 7 equals to negative a to the 0th power positive b negative 15. So negative 99 over 7 equals to negative anything to the 0th power equals to 1. So the value of this a to the 0th power is just 1, positive b negative 15. So now I'm getting negative 99 over 7 equals to, so when I combine this negative 1 and negative 15, I'm getting negative 16. That is, I'm getting b negative 16 on the right side. Okay, now let me solve for b in this equation. For that, I have to get rid of this negative 16. So let me add 16 to both sides. When I add 16 to both sides, this negative 16 positive 16 will cancel out. I'm getting negative 99 over 7 positive 16 equals to b. Okay, now to add this fraction and an integer, what I need to do is I have to multiply this integer 16 by the denominator of the fraction. Once I'm done with this multiplication, I can take this 7 as a common denominator. So negative 99. So when I multiply this 16 and 7, I'm getting 1 and 12. Now I can take the 7 as a common denominator equals to b. So when I combine negative 99 and positive 1 and 12, I'm just getting positive 13. In denominator we have 7 equals to b. Now I got the value of b. So the value of b is 13 over 7. Okay, already we have another information, that is the product of a and b equals to 65 over 7. That is a multiplication of a and b equals to 65 over 7. And our aim is to find the value of the constant a. Okay, now we know the value of b, that is 13 over 7, that we can plug in for b over here and solve for a in this equation. That is a times 13 over 7 equals to 65 over 7. Okay, to solve for a, I have to get rid of this fraction 13 over 7, which is multiplied by a. For that, I have to multiply both sides of this equation by the reciprocal of this 13 over 7, that is 7 over 13. Okay, let me multiply both sides of the equation by 7 over 13. Let me do it. So here 13 will cancel out, 7 will cancel out. So 7 will cancel, 13 goes into 13 one times, and 13 goes into 65 5 times. On the left side, I just have a, on the right side, I have 5. Now I got the value of a. The value of a is 5.